Hi everyone, my name is Nachman and I'm here from ConnectBooks. I want to explain to you in this video our new features that were just uploaded to ConnectBooks. So this video we're going to start off explaining a little bit about the dashboard. So the first thing is, as you all see when you log into your account, there is a complete new dashboard right over here. Now before I begin, I would just like to say that none of this data is real. The data is all mock data, means to say we just put in fake products, meaning any product, we just put in various products and fake numbers. None of this data is real, so nobody should think for 1 second anything is real. What is the big deal of this graph? And I'll explain to you what the big deal is. The big deal is that, and I've seen this with many times through other accounts and with clients on the phone with me, is that when you look at the graph, you see this person did, it shows you 4.9 million sales and 1.2 in profit. However, actually, there might be certain days where they weren't profitable. So in this case, however, the graph shows every single day they're profitable. But let's say one day you didn't make money. So the thing is, when you look at the total numbers, like, oh, the last 30 days I really made money, but how about one day you didn't make money, and maybe that day something happened that you need to, look into it and take more of an account. That's why, you have the graph, and that's really the most powerful thing of the graph. If you put your mouse on top of it, you'll see every day, gross sales 157, you'll see average cost, net sales. See here, you only net $11,000. You see right away. Let's say his overhead is $10,000 a day. So this day he didn't even make money. He's not even covering himself. So the good part about this is that you get to see the last 30 days at a glance, but you see exactly every day if you made money that day, if not. Then as you scroll down, you'll see over here we have the performance indicators. Performance indicators will show you, like in a bird's eye view, how much money you made today, how many units you sold, how many returns you had, how many orders, ad spend, ROI is the return on investment, your profit margin. Then we have the estimated payout and the gross profit. So the difference between the gross profit means the profit that you made in Amazon before your overhead. The estimated payout would be how much money Amazon's actually going to be paying you for today's sales. So the thing is that the estimated payout doesn't include cost of goods sold. So let's say, for example, you did $173,000 in sales, but your cost was $120,000 somewhere there, and your gross profit was $51,000. So Amazon actually would pay you out $173,000, but you only made $51,000. The other thing we won't include in the payout is the ad spend. We will include the payout is the ad spend when it comes from a credit card. So there's two ways how you can pay for your ads. Either you pay it by credit card or Amazon takes it off the settlement. So if Amazon takes it off the settlement, then it'll be part of the payout. But if you pay through a credit card, even if we bring in the ad spend over here, we won't include it in the payout. So basically, the payout, the idea is how much money you're going to be getting from Amazon. As a side note, usually sellers know Amazon likes to catch money. I've seen sellers that have like $400,000 or $500,000 settlements, and Amazon withholds like $200,000 to $300,000. So at that point, when Amazon withholds that money, there's no way of calculating it. It usually depends on the age of the account and depends the risk factors that Amazon takes into account, and then they just pull that off. So you'll have to guess those numbers on your own. So over here, the performance indicators basically just gives you like an overview on, between today, yesterday, last 7 days, this month, last 30 days, last month, exactly what's going on. Then you're going to have over here your top sellers. The top sellers are the top 3 products, based on the last 7 days, and then for the last 14 days and the last 30 days, which were the best performing products. This is based on sales, which were the highest sellers, and this is the total sales you did the last 30 days, the last 14 days, and the last 7 days. Now I'm going to scroll up here a little bit, explain on the top. So over here we have drop down. This is only one sample, so there's only one store. But if you would have, let's say, multiple Amazon accounts or Amazon UK, Canada, Mexico, we would bring them all in over here. Now, if you have UK and Canada, Mexico, and US, we have a unique feature that I don't think any other software has, is we calculate the exchange rates on the product. So that would mean to say that, let's say you're selling something in UK and you bought the stuff with US dollars in the US and you're selling in UK, in order to calculate how much profit you're actually making on the product, you need to add in an exchange rate. So we add in all the exchange rates per product level on all the fees, and we can combine it, together with your US sales and everything, so you get a total picture and see exactly how much money you make on each product. Another thing is, over here you get the option to search on the product level. For example, if I just select Apple AirPods, so you see, for example, the AirPods weren't making any money. We have a different way how to look at this. We can really look at the reports, but you see, the profit was negative 8,000. So here you see every day, $444. You can scroll down. We can take a different product. This product also not making money. What's going on there? Let's see. We'll show in here a different. Let's see this product over here. So here, for example, this product is making money. So you see here the total sales on this product, and you see every single day. So the very idea of the graph is that you get you're able to see the last 30 days, and technically you could go more. You can go back here last 3 months, last 6 months. You can play back. You do 7 days, 14 days. You can play around with everything over here. We have another feature, which is something called over here order date and poster date. The reason why we add this on over here is just that the dashboard should be aligned with the reports, meaning they should match back and forth. The poster date really goes, the order date means the date the products were ordered. So let's say if I go today into Amazon and buy something, so the order date is today. The poster date is actually the date that it actually hit the settlement. So the time you'll see a big discrepancy will be like business settlements, which I've seen many times. Let's say Amazon gives a seller 30 days. So let's say the customer 30 days. So let's say the customer purchases August 15. The buyer will see an order going out of his account. The goods will be delivered. However, the seller is not going to be paid for those goods till September 15. So the order comes in, everything comes in, but it's not hitting a settlement. If you take that order ID from a business settlement and you search the order date and you search it on the settlement report, you'll see it's a month later. So there might be a discrepancy in that case. But just to align with the reports, we added in the order date and the poster date. Over here you see the big line, the green line is the gross, and the bottom one is the net. If you select, you can press it over here, and and just not see gross, only see net profit, what you made every single day. If you want to do, if you don't want to see the net, just see the gross, you can go like that, see gross sales. You can play around and have both. This video basically covers the features of the dashboard, and we're going to have more videos explaining. The next video will explain more about the inventory alerts, and we will explain more about the other stuff in the reports as well.